In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a manual payment for an invoice in Zoho Books. If a customer pays you outside of your online payment gateways, maybe by cash, a bank transfer, or a check, you'll want your books to reflect that right away. Recording a manual payment against the right invoice keeps your accounts accurate, your aging reports clean, and your customer balances up to date. Start by logging into Zoho Books. Once you're in, make sure you're working inside the correct organization. If you manage multiple entities, check the organization selector near the top of the screen and switch if needed. It's a small step that prevents payments from ending up in the wrong place. Next, head to your invoices. Look to the left sidebar, click Sales, and then choose Invoices. This takes you to the list of all invoices for the selected organization. If you have a long list, use the search bar, filters, or sort by status to quickly narrow it down to the invoice you need. Open the invoice that has already been paid manually. This should be the exact invoice your customer settled outside the system, whether it was cash handed over at your office, a transfer that landed in your bank, or a check you received. Opening the invoice lets you attach that payment directly to it, which is important for accurate tracking. At the top right corner of the invoice, click Record Payment. This is the dedicated action for logging money you've already received. You'll see a form prompting you for the payment details. Enter the payment details carefully. Set the payment date to the actual date the funds were received. Choose the payment mode that matches how the customer paid, such as cash, bank transfer, or check. If you have a reference like a transaction ID or check number, add it so you can trace it later if needed. Enter the amount received. If the customer paid the full amount, the invoice will be cleared, and if it was a partial payment, Zoho Books will show the remaining balance due. You can add a brief note for context, like who received the payment or any internal remarks, which can be helpful during audits or reconciliations. Before you finish, give everything a quick review to make sure dates, amounts, and references are accurate. That's it. By logging in, navigating to Sales and Invoices, opening the correct invoice, clicking Record Payment, and entering the details, you ensure your records mirror real-world transactions and your reporting stays reliable.